there are a lot of good quality drone hardware available today, and there are a lot of problems that can be solved using drones. But the challenge today is that most of these drones are manually operated. So you have to have a pilot or somebody controlling the drone and flying the drone. But going forward, as you start to scale, as you start to solve big business problems, you cannot have everything manually operated. You need to have self-flying drones, or you need to have fully automated drones. And that is what we are doing. So we are a drone software company, and we are focused on automating drones.
So we have been providing the two core layers, which is basically automation and connectivity, where drones could be completely autonomous and they could be connected to cloud, where you can monitor them remotely sitting anywhere in the world.
The landscape in drones is continuously changing, continuously evolving, because this is still a fairly new industry. The rules of the industry are still not cast. So things are continuously evolving. Customers are discovering new ways of using drones, and so we also have to continuously keep evolving our products on the technical side, as well as our business model, how we engage with our customers, how do we sell to them, etc. So everything is very, very dynamic in this industry. Keeping tabs at what is happening in the industry and how can we be a part of that change, because this change will not come from one company. It's an entire industry that has to move together, and we have to play a role in that ecosystem.
Are building a complete platform which can adapt to the customer or market requirements really quick. Having said that, this industry is pretty new, right? It just started about 5 years back, where commercial drone applications come into existence. So people are still learning, the requirements are still evolving, the market is still evolving, and you need a platform using which you can build or extend applications or scale your applications, right, for your operations. So that is where we stand out in terms of the competitors in the global space itself.
As it is said that it takes a village to raise a child, right? So Geogen Next is like that. They are creating that village. They are creating that ecosystem of all the stakeholders, right from the startups and the mentors and the investors. So it's kind of a village that is now helping raise these children or these startups of tomorrow. Right. So basically, to run a startup or to build a startup, it is not just one thing that you need. You need these multiple resources all in the same place, and you need to get these advice from mentors or people who have built successful businesses, and that tremendously helps you shortcut your time to market or your time to scale. So Geogen Next has been very successful in creating that ecosystem of founders, of investors, of mentors, which is helping all of us. Over the last 3 years, we have almost doubled our revenues every year. Right now, we are on a path where on the funding side we are kind of well covered, and now the whole focus is on creating products that are able to create value for our customers. And the prototyping of various products and the pilots have already been done. Now it's more about, can we take these products into production, taking this technology from a place where it is today, that is pilots and POCs, to scalable production deployments. So that is where all our effort is focused right now.